Sixth chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 36. Last part completed some unexpected problems in 4 marks. Today discuss 7 marks. Sometime coming 4 marks. This problem is important in IB examination. What is that problem? If none of the denominators is 0, none of the denominators is 0, then prove that cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power n plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B whole power n is equal to 2 cot power n A minus B by 2 0 if n is even, if n is odd. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? LHS part is cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power n plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B whole power n. Here you can use 4 formulas. First formula, sin A plus sin B. What is that formula? 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. This is the first formula. Second formula, sin A minus sin B. First you can write cos ratio, cos of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. Similarly, you can write cos A plus cos B formula. First sin A plus sin B formula. After that sin A minus sin B formula. Here this sin A plus sin B, sin A minus sin B formula, you can write sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D formula is there. That formulas you can write here. Sin cos A plus cos B formula is 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. Similarly, cos A minus cos B formula is there, minus 2 sin of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. Write down these all formulas in this problem. You get easily solve this problem. First, cos A plus cos B. What is the value of cos A plus cos B? 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. This is the formula. After that, sin A minus sin B. What is the formula sin A minus sin B? Sin A minus sin B formula is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2 whole power n. First term is completed. We go to second term. Second term, sin A plus sin B formula. What is the formula? 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 whole by cos A minus cos B formula is what? Minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2 whole power n. This one is a formula you can write. After that, you can observe the first term. What is the first term here? 2 get cancelled. Cos of A plus B by 2, cos of A plus B by 2 cancel. 2 get cancelled. Sin of A plus B by 2, sin of A plus B by 2 cancel. Remember, cos of A minus B by 2 by cos of A minus B by 2 by sin of A minus B by 2 whole power n plus second term. Here second term, cos of A minus B by 2 by sin of A minus B by 2. Here minus is there. That's why you can write minus of cos of A minus B by 2 by sin of A minus B by 2 whole power n. After that, cos by sin, cot of A minus B by 2 whole power n plus minus cot of A minus minus b by 2 whole power n. After that, you can write this one is cot power n of a minus b by 2 plus minus 1 whole power n into minus 1 whole power n into cot of n power n of n minus a by 2. Remaining here cot power is there, here also be cot power minus 1 power also is there. In this two term, which one is common? Cot power n a minus b by 2 is common. Remaining what? Remaining what here? Remaining the 1 plus minus 1 whole power. Here 1 is there, here minus 1 whole power is there. This is 1 plus minus 1 whole power n into cot power n of a minus b by 2. Next, in this cot power n of a minus b by 2 into 1 plus minus 1 whole power n. Here minus 1 whole power n having two values. If n is even, one value is there. If n is odd, another value is there. This value also be coming to the previous classes, nothing but lower classes. Minus 1 whole power n having two values. One is 1, another one is minus 1. If n is even 1, if n is odd 1, first check. Minus 1 whole power 1, minus 1, minus 1 whole power 3, minus 1, minus 1 whole power 5, minus 1, minus 1 whole power 7, nothing but what? Minus 1 whole power 7, nothing but minus 1 into minus 1 into minus multiplied with 7 times, minus into minus plus, minus multiplied with 2 times, you get positive. Minus multiplied with 4 times, that is also be positive. Minus multiplied with 6 times, that is also be positive. Nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8. These all terms are which terms? Even terms. That's why if n is even, that value must and should equal to 1. That's why you can write n is even. N is even. Minus 1 whole power n value is 1. If n is odd, if n is odd, minus 1 whole power n value is minus 1. You can write this one. You get what? Cot power n a minus b by 2 having two values. One is we have to take 1 plus minus 1 whole power and one same factor. If n is even, if n is even, what? Cot power n of a minus b by 2 into 1 plus minus 1 whole power n value is what here? N is even 1. Minus 1 whole power n value is 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 2. 2 into cot power n a minus b by 2. In this case, if n is even, completed one is, second one you can write. Second one is what here? If n is odd. If n is odd, cot power n a minus b by 2 into 1 plus minus 1 whole power n. Minus 1 whole power n is odd. What happened? Minus 1 is there. Okay, students. Here, cot power n of a minus b by 2 equal to 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 get cancelled, you get 0. Cot power n into a minus b by 2 value is 0. 0 into something also be 0. If n is odd. If n is odd 0, if n is even, this one. You can write this total now. Cos a plus cos b by sin a minus sin b whole power n plus sin a plus sin b whole by cos a minus cos b whole power n is equal to having two terms. One is n is even. N is even what? N is even 2 into cot power n a minus b by 2 if n is even. 0 if n is odd. Correct understanding? N is even. 2 into cot power n minus a by 2. N is odd. 0. This is the answer. Correct understanding? This is a very important problem in this exercise 7 marks, sometimes coming to the 4 marks problem. Today assignment problems are homework problems is first problem. Prove that sin 10 degrees plus sin 20 plus sin 40 plus sin 50 is equal to sin 70 plus sin 80. See students, first we have to take LHS part. In this LHS part, sin 10 plus sin 50 we have to take one term. Sin 20 plus sin 40 we have to take another term. Sin C plus sin D formula you can write. What is the formula of sin C plus sin D? Sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. In this formula, first term C value is 10, D value is 50. Second term A value, C value is 20, D value is 60. You can solve this problem. You get the answer sin 70 plus sin 80. You can use this formula two times. One is sin 10 plus sin 50. Another one is sin 20 plus sin 40. Okay, students. After second one is, if sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4 and cos x plus cos y is equal to 1 by 3, then show that tan of x plus y by 2 equal to 3 by 4 and cot of x plus y equal to 7 by 24. Here see students, here we can write sin c plus sin d, 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 whole by. Here cos c plus cos d formula is what? 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 3. Cos get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, this one is tan. Tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to what? Tan of x plus y by 2 equal to 1 by 4 by 1 by 3, nothing but 3 by 4. First answer is coming or not, check? First answer is coming. Understood or not? This, how some hint is given. Cos sin c plus sin d we can write. Cos c plus cos d we can write. After that sin c plus sin d we can write, that is 1. Cos c plus cos d we can write, that is 2. After that you can dividing 1 by 2 you get the tan. You get the cot nothing but cot of x plus y, nothing but 1 by tan of x plus y. Correct answers 1 by tan of x plus y. Here 1 by tan a. Tan A formula is there. 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan A by 2. 2 tan A value is x plus y by 2 by 1 minus tan A value is x plus y by 2. Understood or not, students? First you can write cot. Cot can be written as 1 by tan. This is total angle is here. Tan A formula 2 tan A by 1 minus tan A by 2. In this formula you can write A value is x plus y by 2. You know that this value. What is the value of tan of x plus y by 2? Tan of x plus y by 2 equals 3 by 4. Substituted in this problem, you get the answer is the 7 by 24. Understood or not, students? This is the very important. This problem is the previous part of problem model, homework problem, and this problem also be similar. These two problems are some hint is given. You can use that in simplified total problem. Okay.